Hello guys and buongiorno and welcome to another recipe. So today's ingredients are going to be, we have yellow lentil pasta sheets, they're lasagna sheets, which we're going to cut into tagliatelle for our pasta, and we are also going to make meatballs. And for the meatballs, the ingredients we've got here are fresh basil, fresh parsley there, we've got 100% grass-fed beef which is pasture for life certified, we've got a 30-month minimum age Parmigiano Reggiano there, we've got an unrefined Maldon sea salt there, and we've got cumin and black pepper as the other spices, and we've also got muti tomatoes here. We've got the chopped tomatoes in the tin, and we've also got the passata there for a silky smooth velvet texture. We've also got 2 eggs there, 2 organic eggs as binder, and we've also got, to help bind it, we've got whole milk in there with breadcrumbs soaking to give it a lovely creamy texture inside the meatball. So I'm going to add a touch of cumin in with the minced beef, and I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper over the top. Then I'm going to grate, this is a 200 gram piece of parmesan. I'm probably going to add 100 grams to this recipe. I'm going to crack 2 eggs into it now for a binder, so there's 1, 2, and so I'm going to add some of the milky breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to mix it in with all the other ingredients. And I'm going to add the parsley finally and mix that in with the rest of the mixture. Once you've combined all your mixture together, guys, you want to wet your hands. In this case, I'm going to use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to keep my hands nice and moist so the meatballs don't stick. And you're going to make your meatballs just like this. For the tomato sauce to accompany, we're going to add extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to finely grate with a microplane, because this removes the skin without you having to do it. I'm going to do 3 cloves of garlic. So let your garlic sizzle in the olive oil on a medium heat for around 20 seconds. And then when the 20 seconds is over, before the garlic burns, you want to add your can of chopped tomatoes and stir very well. And then once you've had your chopped tomatoes, add around half of the passata to give a smooth, creamy, velvety texture, and let it cook. So to a large pan, I'm going to use a bit of olive oil, and now I'm going to start to add my meatballs one by one. If it doesn't sizzle, don't put it in. So I've decided to pimp my meat up. So I've added the brown meatballs back into the tomato sauce, and now I'm grating parmesan over the top, and I've also got some lovely mozzarella in there. So now I'm going to whack this into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius to brown off the mozzarella and to give it a lovely sort of crust on top. Add your pasta sheets to some boiling salted water until soft. The meatballs should be about ready. I've turned the temperature up to about 220 degrees. Look at the caramelisation there, guys. Look at them meatballs. Look how brown they are. Look at the cheese. And there we go, guys. I've dished up some of the lentil pasta with the tomato sauce and the meatballs. I've grated some extra parmesan over the top, and I've added a few leaves of basil for some freshness. This is a great recipe, 100% grass-fed meatballs. The reason I choose 100% grass-fed is because it's better for your health. It's the most natural diet. If you're a fan of nature like me, that's the best thing for you. So this is it, guys. This is the 100% grass-fed meatball pasta. It's very delicious. I hope you try it at home. Please like, subscribe and share so this channel gets out, and I'll be doing more supermarket hauls soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.